Wearside Women in Need are a domestic abuse charity supporting victims and survivors of domestic abuse across Wearside. We offer an IDVA team, an outreach team and refuges. Our core values are equality, diversity, empowerment and transformation. Wearside Women in Need have adapted to the pandemic and have been offering phone calls rather than the usual face-to-face contacts. We've carried on accepting new referrals and have been offering phone calls to provide emotional support and help in any way we can. This may be through gaining food parcels if the victim or survivor is isolated. We've also helped the victims and survivors leave the households and move them to a refuge which is safe and in an unknown location. We've also carried on running our group work and changed to teams rather than having our usual face-to-face contact. Every case is unique and every victim survivor endures different type of abuse. Domestic abuse is not limited to physical violence. It can also be emotional, psychological, financial or sexual. Within our team we have our own expertise such as housing, BMA communities and mental health. Once we have identified the needs of the woman, we can work together to create a plan to support the women in the best way we know how. I would say there's always support out there and it may feel impossible to leave the situation you're in, but there is always a way. We understand that there are many barriers to leaving and in them cases we can offer any financial advice. We can also help you find long-term housing. WIN can also help you obtain non-molestation orders in case there is any ongoing harassment from your abuser. And in the future, if you need it, we can also offer counselling and group work to help gain more understanding of domestic abuse and boost your confidence back up.